This isn't just a powder, it's a design marvel, a symphony of light and texture, and a practical upgrade to your makeup routine. Radiance Veil is your partner, turning every makeup application into a note in the harmonious melody of your timeless beauty. Let's delve into the design, for Radiance Veil Loose Powder isn't just a beauty product, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its elegant and modern design makes it a standout addition to your makeup collection. This is not just a loose powder, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your beauty routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a makeup product, it's an aesthetic upgrade to the concept of setting powder. But what truly sets Radiance Veil apart is its transformative prowess. This loose powder doesn't just set your makeup, it does so with a touch of radiance. The ultra-fine, lightweight formula creates a soft focus effect, blurring imperfections and leaving your skin with a luminous, radiant finish. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday look, Radiance Veil becomes the guardian of your flawless finishing touch, providing you with the confidence to shine. It's not just a loose powder, it's a symphony of luminous beauty. Versatility is Radiance Veil's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to a specific makeup style, it adapts to your diverse beauty needs. The translucent nature of the powder makes it suitable for all skin tones, ensuring a seamless blend that enhances your natural beauty. Whether you're opting for a dewy finish or a matte look, Radiance Veil is a multitasking marvel that caters to your unique style. It's not just a loose powder, it's an avant-garde solution to your radiant beauty. Application is a breeze with Radiance Veil. No need for complicated techniques or excessive layers. The finely milled powder glides effortlessly onto your skin, setting your makeup in place while imparting a subtle glow. The buildable formula allows you to customize your desired level of radiance, ensuring that your finishing touch is as unique as you are. It's not just a loose powder, it's an easy upgrade to a world of radiant beauty. But what about durability? Radiance Veil doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality ingredients, it withstands the demands of daily wear. The finely milled powder maintains its luminosity over time, ensuring that your radiant finish